Morning.
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Getting my hair up?
Yeah, I just walked out and you're just in a funny look.
You good?
Oh no.
We're gonna go get coffee. Jace has a day off, finally.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even know it.
This is my outfit. I feel very Halloween. I put like purple bra, striped top, orange pants. Ooh, good morning, Lenny. Today we got Asiago bagel. And today I got butter pecan Americano. It's very strong.
I got a chocolate malt mocha.
Yours tastes kind of like a milkshake, but with like extreme coffee flavor.
That's good. What are you doing today?
Working. We're gonna go to the park and go for a walk.
I haven't been in so long because it's been so hot.
It's 83 out and it feels like a cooling trend for us. Go run through the sprinklers. I double dog dare you.
No way.
Yeah.
You do it.
I can't. I dared you. Why did I wear Uggs? You go. I double dog dared you.
To just sprint through them?
Yeah.
I don't even run. I got too much stuff in my pockets.
I'll hold it. You won't.
What do you mean?
You're no
Just
fun.
Run through them?
Yeah, just go run through them really quick.
Why do you have to double dog dare me?
There's no way. Oh, he's gonna avoid them. What a little faker. He didn't run through anything. No water has touched him. Look. Good morning. They're all playing in the mud. You didn't even run through them.
It was soaking wet.
You're not wet at all.
You got
You
wet.
don't
Look at
even-
my shoes are soaked.
You don't even got a drip of water on you. Nixie has a tummy ache. Look at all these guitars. Lenny, what are we gonna do with That's exactly what I'm saying. Where did all this come from? You wanna go get some stuff for Sammy's? I used the last of the bread. Hello? I had a call for the Arlo Mars website. I was trying to set up like a return thing. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet or not. It doesn't seem very important, but I had a meeting about that. And then I laid on my phone on TikTok for a little bit. Honestly. Because that's what I do sometimes. But now I'm hungry because we just split that bagel for breakfast, so obviously there's not enough food to sustain the day. And now it is 11:30 and I am hungry and I don't want to eat something bad. So we're gonna go get some bread to make sandwiches. Update from the car, we went to Vaughn's and got bread and some baked chips for sandwiches and vegetables for tonight for dinner. And Jace just stopped. He's like a member of this sip club or something at Panera Bread, and so he gets like unlimited drinks or something. So he just went in to get his free drink. Then we're gonna go home and make sandwiches. I'm just gonna scroll on TikTok while I wait for him. What'd you make?
Leftover sandwich, I guess.
That gives no information. I made my regular chicken pickle sandwich. This pickle's not looking right to me right here. I don't like that bite. Still working on my computer. Oops. To message my manager because they didn't send me something. Hi, I just got the About Face package and I got 2 of the matte fluid eye paints in the red color and I've got the lip gloss. They didn't send the gel eyeliner or the matte lip color. So should I just not use those? Oh wait, am I stupid? Okay, hold on. Never mind, I just noticed that the lip color looks exactly like the eye paint. So I have the lip color, the eye paint, and the lip gloss. I don't have the gel eyeliner. I'm doing a Halloween look with About Face. I am so... Okay, literally ignore all of my voice messages. So disregard, sorry. Sometimes I hate myself. This box here is a secret. Samples for something.
Do you want to use Sharpie, Ash?
Yeah. Maybe.
These are so cool.
You know, it's been one of those days. I've been sitting here, I feel like all day. Hi, Ozzy. I'm getting ready for the launch of my brand, Arlo Mars. And today was a lot of figuring out how I'm gonna do that. You know what I mean? It's different than other brands, like with Trashy Studio. I actually, that's great. With Trashy Studio, I built the website, I did everything, so that was like on my terms. But with this, it's a little different. I've worked with a developer on it, which, looking back, why? I don't know. My lips are so dry and chapped right now. I've been working on this. I'm setting up like the email marketing right now. I need to wash my hair too. Let me show you, because we have a date. The date of the launch. I haven't said it out loud. We're launching Arlo Mars on Thursday. I think it's the 5th. No, it's the 6th. October 6th, Arlo Mars is going to be in the world, and I'm going to throw up. Let me show you. The vlog is getting a first-hand look. That date's wrong. Let's fix it. Is that April 6th? Like I said, I'm going to cry, throw up, I'm not sure. So today's vlog was one of those days that I mentioned earlier about how I have to sometimes just sit at my computer all day. Tomorrow I do have more work to do. I'm gonna film a makeup video and finish preparing for this launch. I'll show you more of that tomorrow. That's it for today's vlog. It's already time for me to go to bed, and I still have work to do, so this vlog has to end because I have to edit it. So I will see you tomorrow, and if you're not signed up already for Arlo Mars emails, go click the link in the description and sign up so that you can get the emails that I'm staying up late to make. Okay, bye.